Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel Planner 5D subscription. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, in the middle we have the new project and we have all of your projects there. On the left side, we have the products, resources, enterprise, and pricing. And in the top right corner, we have your projects and a lot of different things, as you can see here in the top right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel Planner 5D subscription. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So Planner 5D is a software that allows you to create and design your own home for the office. To cancel your subscription, you need to go and open your profile at Planner 5D. Then, as you can see, you have it in the top right corner, and you just need to go and click on Profile. So here, as you can see, you can go and click on Switch to Pro to actually get the subscription. So you need to click on here. Then you'll need to go to the billing section, which is here, as you can see, and we have subscriptions. Now, when you're in the billing, we have, of course, all of your subscriptions, and you just need to go and click the cancel button. You can still use the subscription until the end of the billing period. If you don't see cancel, the subscription is already canceled and shouldn't be renewed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.